inspiration, through the divine inspiration of the Most High. Hail, hail.